from the providers Sonla Home. It is a crystal round chandelier wall fixture. It comes nicely packaged and boxed, and what we're going to do is show you the insides. Laid on top is your instructions, hardware, and material. Underneath the foam insert will be your chandelier protected with cardboard as well. As we pull out of the box to show you how nicely it's packaged. Inside the packaging is your round bracket with the crossbar, 2 bolts and nuts and washers, and your bell house nuts made of aluminum that goes over your square or round junction box. With the fixture measuring 12 inches in diameter, 6 inches in height, with glass, crystal, metal, and E12 sockets, bulbs not included. A maximum of a 60-watt bulb, your ground, load, and neutral leads. Installing bulbs are as easy as placing on and screwing down. As we show the crystal flower chandelier round, lit up and give you a nice close-up look at the light. You could hook up a dimmer switch and more. As the light reflects off of each crystal and shines and gives it design against the wall and floor, looking from the bottom to the top and above through the bottom, as well as the side. From Sonla Home, for your living room, dining room, bedroom, master room, and more. Your 12-inch round lighting fixture for your lighting needs and home. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. And thank you for viewing.